Welcome to my channel. Eero Max 7 Setup. 1. Unbox your Eero Max 7. Remove the Eero Max 7 units from the box and confirm all items are included: main Eero, additional units, if any, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. 2. Download the Eero app. Install the Eero app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. The app is essential for setup and management. 3. Create or log into your Eero account. Open the app and either sign in with your existing Eero account or create a new one. 4. Turn off your modem. Power off your modem, if separate from your router, for at least 30 seconds to prepare it for connection to the Eero. 5. Connect the Eero to the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the Eero Max 7's WAN port to your modem. Six. Power on the Eero Max 7. Plug in the Eero Max 7 and wait for the LED light to flash, signaling it's ready for setup. 7. Open the Eero app and start setup. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to detect and configure your Eero Max 7. It will guide you step by step to name your network and set a password. 8. Add additional Eero units, if any. If you have extra Eero Max 7 units, place them around your home for optimal coverage. The app will guide you to add and position them for the best performance. 9. Connect devices to the new network. Once setup is complete, connect your devices to the new Eero Wi-Fi network using the name and password you created. 10. Test and optimize the network. Use the Eero app to test internet speed and coverage. Adjust the placement of additional units if needed to eliminate weak spots. Thank you for watching.